Hello from Dhaka, this is Tahmina Nupur and you are watching BSS News. When the monsoon arrives and the Haor fills with water, life in Kishoreganj takes on a new rhythm. Boats replace roads, fields turn into vast lakes, and across these glittering waters, something very remarkable happens. Hundreds of floating duck farms appear, turning the Haor into a living mosaic of movement and sound. On both sides of the Ghorautra River in Nikli Upazila, hundreds of duck farms float over the monsoon waters. These temporary farms, built with bamboo poles and nets, shelter flocks of local duck breeds gliding all day long. And when the night falls, they return to small huts along the river banks to rest. Farmers say it doesn't take much to start, a little investment, natural food like snails and shells, and some feed. With that, duck farming has turned into a profitable source of income. And with every new farm, the lives of families in the Haor areas are changing for the better. The success isn't limited to Nikli. Across the flooded landscapes of Itna, Mithamain, Austagram, and Tarail, the same story unfolds. During the monsoon, more and more people are turning to duck rearing in the open waters of rivers and Haors. The result: new jobs, growing prosperity, and a stronger rural economy. According to local sources and the district livestock office, farms in Kishoreganj's Haor region produce around 2 crore or 20 million duck eggs every year. After meeting local demand, nearly 25% of the country's total need for duck eggs comes from here. From these wetlands, the eggs travel to major cities, Dhaka, Austagram, and Sylhet, feeding the nation's appetite. And it's not just the eggs. Haor bred duck meat has also become a favorite across Bangladesh.
হাওরের যে হাঁস পালন করে মানুষজন, তো ওখান থেকে যে ডিম উৎপন্ন হয় তা সারা দেশের প্রায় 25% চাহিদা কিন্তু এই হাওরের ডিম থেকেই মেটানো হয়। আমরা প্রাণী সম্পদ বিভাগ দুধ এবং মাংস উৎপাদনের জন্য কাজ করি। সেই নিরিখে আমরা খামারিদেরকে আসলে উদ্বুদ্ধ করি, খামারিদেরকে প্রশিক্ষণ দেই। তারপরে তারা বিভিন্ন যখন রোগ সুখ হয়, বিশেষ করে হাঁস মুরগি বা ডেয়ারিতেই, তো আমরা সেগুলা ডায়াগনোসিস করে চিকিৎসা দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করি এবং সময় সময় আমরা বিভিন্ন প্রকল্পে যে উপাদানগুলা দেওয়ার কথা বলা থাকে, আমরা সেভাবে খামারিদেরকে সহযোগিতা করার চেষ্টা করি।
In Tarail's Damia area, an entire hatchery industry has grown around this booming egg economy. More than 100 hatcheries now use the tush or web steam method to produce 2 or 2.5 lakh ducklings every single day. These ducklings are then supplied to local farms and districts across the country. Farmer Alamgir Hossain from Nikli shared, "We don't need land for this. We just set up enclosures with bamboo and nets and let the ducks roam. They eat snails and grains. It's cheap and we earn good profits each session." From nearby Mithamain, Rabia Khatun added, "Wholesalers collect our eggs straight from Dhaka and Austagram, but when our ducks get sick, we struggle. If we had mobile veterinary teams, our losses would be much less." Hatchery entrepreneur Shahadat Hossain from Damia said, "There are many hatcheries now. We can hatch thousands of ducklings a day. With steady electricity and a permanent collection center, we could scale up even more." At present, there are nearly 2,000 duck farms in Kishoreganj, raising more than 2.5 million ducks. Around 1,500 farmers and entrepreneurs are directly involved, while nearly 12,000 families benefit directly or indirectly. Altogether, these farms produce about 2 crore eggs every year. Yet, challenges remain. Experts believe that with the right government support and stronger market connections, duck farming in the Haor region could grow far beyond a local livelihood and become one of Bangladesh's major economic sector. From rippling waters to rising incomes, the story of Kishoreganj's ducks is a story of hope. Here, every quack echoes opportunities and every egg carries the promise of a better tomorrow. In the heart of the Haor, where land meets water and tradition meets innovation, Bangladesh's next rural success story is already afloat, powered by the humble duck and the people who dare to dream. This is not just farming. This is the rhythm of the Haor, the sound of life taking flight. That's all for today. For more videos like this, keep your eyes on BSS News. Thanks for watching.